Finally, the most wanted video on this channel, how to do crypto arbitrage as a beginner without capital and without the need of any skills but with flash loans, and we are starting right now. So before, in order to borrow Ethereum, you needed to be a developer, especially in Solidity. But now, with the website that I'm going to show you, you can borrow Ethereum without the need of being a developer. So let's jump directly. Let me show you how to do it. The website name is Furucombo. Basically, I've been using Furucombo for a long time now, and it works super great, especially if you are a beginner, because it's simple and it does not need any skills or any background knowledge, especially in developing. Basically, when you go here to create, you gotta just link your wallet. In my case, I'm going to link my MetaMask wallet. Basically, I'm not trying to show you right now a live crypto trade, but I'm trying to show you how you can find them yourself, because it will take some time to find the right block that is going to make you profitable. I know this is confusing, blocks and things like this, but I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, and don't get confused because it's really simple and you just need to follow my steps and follow my advices and you are going to start making money. The second reason why I'm showing you this, because as we all know that the Ethereum gas fees are super high, so I'm showing you this right now way before the Ethereum 2.0 came out. So you know, you take advantage with the opportunities that are going to show up definitely when the Ethereum 2.0 came out. So when you click on create, you came here. Basically, we are going to use flash loans from this protocol. You are going just to click on flash loan right here, and I'm just going to show a random example and show you how things works. I'm going to show you how you can find winning blocks yourself and do it yourself. And the good thing here is that you don't have like a fixed charge to pay monthly or something like this, or a subscription, or you don't pay something in advance in order to do this. So it's all free and you can like keep testing blocks until you find a profitable block. Then you can go within it and pay the fee, because here you only pay the gas fee, you don't pay anything else. For example, here let's pick Ethereum. It's 0.09. Let's say 1000 Ethereum. Click on set, and here we are going to add another block. This time we are going to go, for example, to Sushi Swap. We are going to swap Ethereum for a stable coin. Let's pick, for example, USDC, and click right here, 1000 Ethereum that we borrowed. It's going to give us $135,000. Basically, right now we have this amount of USDT, and we are going to add another block. Now let's pick another decentralized exchange. Let's say 1inch, for example. Now let's use the USDT that we got here, and let's buy Ethereum from this exchange for a cheaper price. Now let's click here, click USDT, click here, and change it to Ethereum, and click on sets. So as you can see here, we have lost around 125 Ethereum, because as I mentioned, I am not trying to show you right here a live winning trade of crypto arbitrage, because this takes time to find the right blocks. I'm just trying to show you here the general idea and how these things works, so you can do them yourself. Basically, we need the help of CoinMarketCap prices right here of the markets. You will have to find the coin that you are looking to use on your block right here for a cheaper price within a decentralized exchange that Furucombo supports, and you will try also to find it on another exchange that sells it for a high price. Then you are just going to come right here and make the blocks and make sure that you are profitable. Then you are going to click on approve. The wallets I have right here don't have any Ethereum, so if I click on approve right here, I'm going to get this unserviced Ethereum in your wallet. So basically, if I had serviced Ethereum in my wallet, I am going to make this trade, and it only takes few time to be made, so it's super easy and super simple. So as I mentioned, I'm trying here to show you the general idea way before the Ethereum 2.0 came. So the gas price are going to be super cheap, which means you are going to take advantage and find opportunities way before others. So it's super simple, you just need time. And personally, the last time that I used Furucombo, I won around 2 Ethereum, but it was a long time ago. I stopped just because of the gas fees. They were really high, so I really tried to stop and wait until the Ethereum 2.0 came, and I will try to get back to Furucombo because it's really profitable. Also, Furucombo gets other free features. You can try to find them right here. For example, if you click on learn and let's click on APY, let's pick this one, for example. They give you here how are you going to make profits from this block. You can read all these things yourself, but in today's video I'm trying to focus on how to make money in crypto arbitrage without having a single capital. Also, if it's your first time on my channel, I've already made a video about how to make money with crypto arbitrage, and I showed live examples on how to do it and how I personally do it. So I will leave the video right here. Go and check, because it's got a dope value and you definitely need to check that. So that's it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe and drop a like, and let me know down in the comments, are you going to use Furucombo to make money or not? And I will see you on the next video.